Hey everyone, in this video we are going to be adding this bumper to this 2017 Greenlight Chevy dually, and it does look awesome. Easier than you think, a great beginner project. Let's get going. Your 2017 Chevy dually has two pins that hold this bumper on around studs, die-cast studs behind that bumper. You can easily break that apart just by going in with a flathead screwdriver and twisting. You can twist and pry, and that bumper's going to break those pins and it will come right off. Here's the stud where the plastic was held in place, and now I'm just removing that last stud so it's out of the way, and there we go. Your bumper's going to arrive in 3D printed plastic just like this. I'm not going to paint this because I kind of like the way it looks just as it is, so I'm going to test fit it. This bumper is going to fit right underneath that grill. I'm going to make sure that it's center and square, and then we'll add some glue and attach it. I'm adding just a little bit of glue right here to the top of that bumper. That line right there is where I want my glue. And we're going to glue it to the bottom of that grill, making sure that it's nice and square across that front end. Now I'm going to come in with a little bit of Insta-Set and make sure it doesn't move. The Insta-Set will make it look wet for a little bit of time. Ignore it for a day and it will return to its original color. That is how you add a bumper to a 2017 Greenlight Chevy dually. Go make something awesome. Thanks for watching.